Is alcohol healthy for you? Ooh, this is a tough one. So the answer is it can be in small quantities and it depends on who you are. There are some health benefits of alcohol, and there have been some research that shows that alcohol in moderation can be heart healthy. That said, there are a lot of downsides to alcohol, and we've talked about them a lot at Parsley Health, but I'll run through a few of them quickly. First of all, alcohol is broken down into acetaldehyde, which is a toxin. It can scar the liver. It's known to be a carcinogen or cancer-causing. So if you're frequently drinking alcohol, you're increasing your risk of numerous types of cancer, from breast cancer to GI cancers and others, okay? Alcohol also really messes with your sleep. So if you drink alcohol on a regular basis, you may not be as well rested. It messes with your metabolism and can lead to weight gain and digestive issues. It can also imbalance your hormones. So the problem is alcohol is ubiquitous, right? Many people drink it. It's sort of part of our social scene, and it's become something that's really customary in our social interactions. But when you're drinking alcohol on a regular basis, you may be seeing a lot of downstream effects that you don't want. So what do you do about that? Well, here are my recommendations. First, manage your quantities. So most people, men and women both, are able to metabolize about 1 drink an hour. So if you are drinking, try to stick to at maximum 1 drink an hour. Second, give your body a few days off a week. I see a lot of people who aren't drinking mass quantities. They might just be having 1 or 2 drinks a day, but that constant steady influx of alcohol is leading to anxiety, depression, digestive issues, blood sugar imbalances, weight gain, poor sleep, fatigue, all sorts of problems. And so you absolutely want to give your body at least 3 or 4 days off a week, in my view. And then the third thing that I highly recommend is look at quality, not just quantity. So what you're drinking matters too. At Parsley Health, we often recommend avoiding beer and wine, which often have a lot of sugar and carbohydrates in them, and switching to mezcal or clear vodka, which also not to be drunk in mass quantities, but are much lower in sugar and other toxins. Also with wine, especially recommend drinking biodynamic natural wines, and there are great sources of that out there. Wines that aren't treated with pesticides and other chemicals, don't have added sulfites. You might feel better drinking those types of wine if you are drinking wine. So in summary, with alcohol, can you have a healthy relationship with it? Yes, I believe you can, but make sure that you're not drinking too much, make sure you're not drinking too often, and make sure that you are looking at the quality of what you're drinking regularly.